Today I'm going to show you exactly how to hit Galactic Hero on the updated Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin attraction. This ride has changed a lot, and now you can actually score over 1,000,000 points, but only if you know the one trick that lets you score hundreds of thousands of points in just 10 seconds. Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Undercover Tourist, and I am here at the new Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin attraction that has just been completely reimagined. We've got new blasters, new targets, new gameplay, and for the first time ever, like I said, you can actually go over 1,000,000 points. But here's one of the biggest changes: you can't just memorize this ride anymore. High value targets now appear in different places and they behave differently, so your score really depends now on how fast you can react in real time. Let's go over what is new. You've got fully handheld blasters, meaning you can aim anywhere. Your left side shoots red and your right side shoots green, so you know who's who. Your laser is always visible, so you know exactly where you're aiming. You get haptic feedback and sounds when you hit a target, and targets now light up and react when they're hit. This makes it so easy to know when you've hit a target. The targets are brighter and they're easier to see, so instead of guessing, you can react faster and make smarter shots. You also have a real-time score screen right in your ride vehicle, so you know if you're getting close to that Galactic Hero status. These are our top 5 tips to getting that Galactic Hero status, starting with tip number 1, hold down the trigger and keep your gun stable. Do not tap the trigger. If you just hold it down the entire ride, the blaster will continue to fire. And as long as you're firing, you get more points automatically. Less shaking means more consistent hits and more points. Tip number 2, look for the targets with a white pulsing ring. These are designed to stand out and they're worth more points. In many cases, they can double the value of that target. They do appear randomly, so keep scanning and prioritize them immediately when you see one. Tip number 3, this is probably the most important thing in the entire ride to getting more points. When you see a rainbow target or a multicolored target, hit it immediately. When that target gets hit, it activates a 10-second bonus mode for everyone around, meaning all the targets enter rainbow mode, and you can rapid fire on any of them and score massive points very quickly. When the bonus starts, hold down your trigger, move quickly across targets, and hit as many as possible. You don't even have to be the one to activate it. If anyone in the ride hits that rainbow target, you benefit from that too. That kind of takes me into the next tip, tip number 4, is that this ride is actually easier with more people playing. So use the crowd around you. And here's why. More players equals a higher chance that somebody's going to hit a rainbow target and go into bonus mode. That means more bonus opportunities for you. And for tip number 5, watch for any of the high value moments in the ride. In the hyperspace battle, Zurg actually launches drones now, which is brand new. Hit those repeatedly and easily stack up points quickly, including the target right above the ship itself. And then as you enter the room with Emperor Zurg, focus on the target at the bottom of his ship while still looking out for any of those white pulsating or rainbow targets. You can hit it over and over for a big score boost. And here's a bonus tip. You now have a real-time score screen, so use it. If your score jumps, you're doing something right. If it's just going slow, adjust what you're targeting. So to review, here is the winning formula. Hold the trigger and stabilize your aim. Prioritize the pulsating targets. Hit the rainbow targets to unlock the bonus mode. React really fast during the 10-second window of that bonus mode. And take advantage of those key scenes and easy targets. Do all of that and hitting Galactic Hero or even breaking 1,000,000 is absolutely possible. Now I think you're ready to dominate the galaxy. Oh, and when you get Galactic Hero, make sure you show a cast member at the exit of the ride to get a cool collective Galactic Hero pin. Next time you ride Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, you're not just playing, you're playing at a completely different level. And don't worry if you don't hit Galactic Hero on your first try. This ride actually rewards practice, and every time you ride, you're going to get better. Drop your high score in the comments below and let us know if you've been able to hit Galactic Hero on this updated version of Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Disney tips and updates. We'll see you in the parks.
Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.